Hello friends, Satish Tiwari again here, and this time we are going to learn how to install RedHat inside Virtualbox in graphical mode, GUI, which we tell graphical user interface. Very simple. Go to the new, and here I will type RedHat, and I will type GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. I will select RedHat 32-bit. Click on next. I am going to allot little more RAM. So I am giving 4 GB RAM. Then click on create. Next. Next, same option. Here I am giving 28 GB space. Click on create. Go to the settings. Make the same 3 changes. First change is system. Remove the floppy. Make hard disk first bootable device. Optical second bootable device. Again, you can go to processor. You can check here, by default 1 core is assigned. If you want, you can allot 2 core, but 1 core is more than enough, so don't need to make it 2 core. No change here. Just go to storage, click on empty, click on this CD logo, then choose the first option, click on add, and the same ISO file you have downloaded already, RHL5, open, choose, then go to network. In place of NAT, select the bridge adapter. Okay, done. Now start the installation. Click on start, and here it is. Just press enter. Okay, if you just want to install the graphical mode, you don't need to type anything here. You just have to press enter. So I just press enter here. Okay, you have to skip this option. Skip. It's loading the graphics card. Okay, now you can use the mouse if you are using this version. Okay, because this is graphical version, so you can also use the mouse. You click on next, next, next. Here it's asking the installation number, like the license key. You just don't need that, so click on skip entering installation number. Click on OK, skip, yes. Now here you have to choose the last option, create custom layout, then click on next. Create a new partition, click on new. In the mount point, just select the slash, and in the size you can give it like 20 GB or 24 GB. So I will giving 24 GB space to this one, and then click on OK. You can also, if you want to create a virtual RAM, you can also create virtual RAM. So just click, go to new, and then in place of ext3, select the swap memory and give it 4 GB RAM. So this will be 4 GB virtual RAM. Okay, so in this way you can create the 4 GB virtual RAM also. Now you can click on next, next, next. You can select your time zone. So mine is Asia Kolkata, so I will select my Asia Kolkata, then click on next. Now it's asking for the root password. You know the root is the admin inside the Linux machine, so you have to assign the password. I am giving RedHat. Again, repeat the password RedHat, and then click on next, next, then click on next. Now remember, this is the graphical version, so it will take little more time in comparison to the text mode. Okay, so in comparison, if you compare the text mode installation and graphical mode installation, text mode installation will take less time, graphical mode installation will take little more time. Okay, in comparison to GUI, graphical mode. But it doesn't mean that it will take 10 minutes or 12 minutes. No. Maximum, max to max 4 minutes. So you can see installation is going on. I always suggest you to use the latest version processor. If you are right now you are using, you have to use the Core i7 12th generation or Core i7, Core i5 12th generation. Even Core i5 12th generation is enough. You don't need to Core i7. Its installation is about to complete. I think 1 more minute. I'm not going to skip anything so that you don't be get confused. Okay, if you want to fast forward, you can do that, but I will suggest you to watch the complete video stepwise, otherwise you might miss something. In my videos, no skip, no pause, nothing, just the raw videos. You can see complete installation steps from beginning to end. And installation done. Okay, so it's asking for the reboot, restart after the installation. Just click on the reboot. And here it is. You can click on forward. By default, firewall is enabled. If you want to disable it, you can select the disable option. Click on forward. Yes. By default, SE Linux policy, which is known as security enhanced Linux, is enforcing mode. There are 3 modes: enhancing, enforcing, permissive, and disabled. For the beginners, it is good idea to select the permissive mode and then click on forward. Here, no, I prefer to register at later time. I'm not going to connect with RHN, Red Hat network, satellite network. Okay, click on forward. No thanks, I will connect later. Click on forward. If you want to create normal user, you can also create normal user here, but I don't want that, so I will just click on forward, continue, forward. No need to install any additional CDs, so just click on finish, and the installation done. It will ask you for the username and password. You can directly log in with the username root, enter, and the password Red Hat, and this is your graphical version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL. You can see, you can right click, you can use the open terminal here, and you can run the command. You can go to this option. You can see so many options here. Okay, you can get the browsers, all these tools, and here if you want to use the terminal, you can just right click. If you want to zoom it, you can click on zoom in. If you want to see who is login, you can type who am I, it's telling the root. If you want to check the IP address, you can just type ifconfig and you can check the IP address. So you can see the IP address, IP version 4 address is 192.168.29.141. If you just want to check that IP address, you can type ifconfig ets0 and it will display your IP address on ets0 machine, IP version 4 as well as IP version 6 IP address. Okay, you can clear this screen using clear command. If you want to shut down the screen, you can just type init space 0 and the system will be shut down. Hence, we have learned how to set up graphical GUI mode of Red Hat. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section, and if you like this, don't forget to like and share. Okay, thank you for watching.